How to add new page on iPhone home screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and long press an empty area of your home screen until the apps start to jiggle. Once the icons are shaking, swipe all the way to the right to open your app library. Find the app you want to move. Now, simply tap, hold, and start dragging the app icon. As you drag the icon towards the left side of the screen, you will navigate back to your home screens. Position the app in a desired empty space and then release your finger to place it. You can now swipe left and right to access your new page. Finally, tap anywhere on the screen to exit jiggle mode and confirm the new arrangement. Following these steps, you can easily add a new page to your iPhone home screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.